Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to AppSec's online support program. I hope you are all fine and keeping taking care yourself. I'm going to teach you computer for class 6 and the book we will be following eSkills Learner Level 6. Page number we will be following 118 till 121. Chapter is working with numbers and today our topic is advanced formatting. Resources required: laptop, PCs, mobile and textbook. In this chapter we will learn about the following topics: apply currency and date format, merge cell, wrap text and alignment, borders and shading, insert image and formatting. Quote of the week: be a student as long as you still have something to learn, and this will all your life. Students, happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. When you fill your mind with positively, you change the quality of your life. So, change the quality of your thinking and distance yourself from negativity. Before we move on to our new topic, let's recap. The first topic we will discuss in our previous videos, that is spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel. A spreadsheet is a program that imitates a paper worksheet. It's like a large sheet of paper with lots of small boxes. Simple formatting. Sometimes we need to change a table a little so that we can read our data more easily or to bring attention to it, especially when it comes to number. That's why we format our data. Worksheet. Students, you may have noticed that at the bottom of the window there are some tabs with the labels name Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. Sometimes you need to have more than one table in the same book. That's why you have this option and you can add or delete a worksheet or even rename it according to its content or purpose. So today our objectives are: student will be able to work with change numbers into a currency format, choose a variety of date formats, apply a more advanced formatting, and insert images in a spreadsheet. You have learned how to make a small table and format it to look nice. Now let's understand the meaning of numbers and do some more formatting. Some issues we will look at are: what is the difference between a number and a currency? Can you put the data into a cell? So let's learn advanced formatting. So students, we will make a grocery list. Like you can see in front of you, we are going to type what we want to buy from the supermarket, the quantity and how much each product costs. After that we are going to format it, but we will use advanced option. Currency format. Students, it's a typical in Excel to gather data that has to do with money. So you need to change the numbers into a currency format. So let's see that how we will apply a currency format. Currency. Let's start with the price. It's typical in Excel to gather data that has to do with money. So you need to change numbers into a currency format. To apply a currency format, select the cell you want, for example C4 to C9. Now go to Home tab. In the number group, you can click the expand button. The format cells window will appear. Click the number tab. In this category list, click currency. You can change the symbol and the number of decimal places. Now click OK. You can choose between number, currency, accounting and percentage. Accounting align the value at the decimal points. Date format. It's common to use dates in Excel. That's why the program gives you a variety of date format to choose from. So let's see how to apply date or time in our Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. To apply date or time, select the cell where you want to place the data, for example A1. On the Home tab, in the number group, click the Expand button. The Format Cells window will appear. Click Date. In the Type list, click the type you like and then click OK. So, not all the countries use the same date format. Some put the day before the month. Merge cell, wrap text and alignment. The previous talk was about how you can format data. All of these options are included in a single window. Let's learn how to apply merge cells, wrap text and alignment of the cell. How to merge cells, wrap the text and align it. So, select the cells you want to merge. For example, you can select A2 from and to D2. On the Home tab in the number group, click the Expand button. On the Format cell, click the Alignment tab. Select the Wrap text and Merge cell checkbox. In the horizontal list, click Center, and in the vertical list, click Center again. Student, if you want to change the indentation or the orientation of the text, you can use this option and you can see the results and click OK. Keep in mind that through the Expand button, you have more options like custom text orientation. History. After ViceCalc, Lotus 123 made it easier to use spreadsheets and it added integrated charting and database capabilities. Lotus 123 established spreadsheet software as a data presentation packages as well as a complex calculation tool. Borders and shading. In this option, you can customize your table according to your taste and according to your requirement. So table formatting involves borders and colors. Let's see some practical implementation that how can we apply a border and also shading in our table. How to apply a border? First of all, you have to select all the table like this. Now on the Home tab in the number group, click the Expand button. On the Format cell, click the border. In the Style and Color list, click the style and the color you like and then apply them. Remember that you can apply border to the outline or the inside of the table, or you can choose different style for each slide. Now press OK to apply this borders. Now you can see the format will be changed. To apply colors, select the table or the cell you want to format. For example, the title. On the Home tab, in the number group, click the Expand button again. On the Format cell, click the Fill option or Fill tab. Click the Color button and any color which you want in your table and then press OK. Insert image and image formatting. As with Microsoft Word, you can insert an image if you think that it will make your table more appealing, let's insert an image from clip art. Place it wherever you like and format it, but don't use the format tab. Let's see some practical implementation that how can we apply and insert image and also image formatting. To format any image, just right click on it and click a format picture. The format picture window will appear. Here you have all these options you learned earlier and many more. Let's take a look at some of them. First of all, shadow. Use shadow to apply shadow onto your image. Try one experiment with the values to get desired result. What about a 3D rotation? With the 3D rotation, you can rotate your image just like a 3D object. Rotate the x-axis by 25 degrees. I hope you all understand that how can we insert any image. Students, this is your hand-on activity. Now it's your turn. Make your own grocery list. What do you or your parents usually buy from the supermarket? Do practice at your home and in your computer. Make a grocery list. So this is your task. Number 1. How to apply date or time in Microsoft Excel. Write down the steps to merge cells, wrap the text, and alignment. 3. What spreadsheet software used after eSkills? And number 4. What can you do with option while formatting a picture in Microsoft Excel? Students, find out best answers of these questions. Try to write in your own words and note it down in your notebook. Use your book as a guidance. If you found any difficulty, use internet and feel free to contact with me. Solve your worksheet and hand-on of given tasks. I hope you will all understand and memorize in your mind that how can we use advanced formatting in our spreadsheet program. That's all from my side. Last but not the least, stay safe, stay home and listen to your parents. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.